AI was supposed to replace programmers. Remember that? Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude, and every VC promised the end is near. Silicon Valley poured billions into AI, and what we have in 2026, pink and blue website, sloppy spaghetti code, and still no army of AI programmers replacing humans. So what happened? Why isn't reality even remotely close? And if AI isn't that powerful, why does the internet lose its mind whenever a new model drops? Now, to explain you that, let me give you a simple analogy. When calculators first came out, people said,
Breaking news, calculators may replace mathematicians.
and some mathematicians panicked and even protested. But guess what? Surprise, surprise, it didn't replace mathematicians. Calculators became a tool, and mathematicians are still around, just with a bit too much math homework. Same thing with AI. Remember GPT-2? And ladies and gentlemen, that's why I don't trust news anymore. Now, this thing teaches us two things. Number one, humans are unsurprisingly awful at predicting the future. Number two, whenever a new tech arrives, we immediately imagine robots taking our job and big companies saying. And you can also represent this by a graph. Whenever new tech gets introduced, people panic. And as the time goes, people don't give that much about. And the hype dies. But hype and panic aren't the only reasons why AI didn't wipe out programmers. Number one, zero deep context. AI learns patterns in code, including sloppy spaghetti code from Stack Overflow. It generates stuff that looks plausible, but it doesn't know what the code means or why it exists. Number two, strategy isn't just typing. It's decision, architecture, security, performance, product direction, real thinking, you name it. AI doesn't decide, it predicts the next text. Number three, silent errors. AI can spit out code that looks correct, but secretly it breaks everything. And in production, anonymous bugs are basically digital TNT. Number 4. Ethics, safety, responsibility. AI doesn't actually get ethics or morals. I mean, you can hard code rules and boundaries, but the real world boundaries are boundaryless. And look at how every new model launch becomes an ethical contest, like Grok. And at the end of the day, humans decide what's safe, acceptable, and legal. Because humans make the rules. And humans can also take the blame if anything goes wrong, but AI can't, right? So, what will be the role of AI in 2026? Thankfully, we are not living in a dystopian world where AI writes everything while programmers are drowned in coffee. The real future is collaboration. AI can help like plan tasks, generate tests, create docs, create boilerplate, while humans can focus on architecture, reliability, ethics, actual thinking, and fixing their marital issues. The current reality. Developers aren't being replaced, but their roles are evolving. And finally, let's address the elephant in the fridge. I'm talking about...
No, we might be 6 to 12 months away from when the model is doing most, maybe all of what SWEs do.
I just have one question. Now, Mr. Dario, can you please tell me who the heck is going to buy Claude subscription if software engineers will be jobless in next 6 to 12 months? Oh, let me guess. AI will definitely buy the Claude subscription so they can maintain some work-life balance. Ah, I got it. So yeah, that's my personal take on this whole matter of AI replacing humans. Anyways, if you have any thought about this topic or about my videos, you can drop your comments in the comment section. Or you can also share those opinions on my X. Bye.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved